Hey everyone, get ready for the easiest, most delicious dessert you can make outdoors. Today, we're whipping up a fantastic campfire berry cobbler, perfect for any adventure. It's simple, sweet, and guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. You'll need 4 cups of mixed berries, fresh or frozen. Grab half a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a squeeze of lemon juice for the filling. For the topping, we'll use 1 box of yellow cake mix and half a cup of melted butter. First, combine your berries, sugar, cornstarch, and lemon juice in a cast iron Dutch oven or foil pan. Give it a good stir to coat everything evenly. This creates that wonderfully gooey, sweet berry base. Now for the magic topping. Sprinkle the dry cake mix evenly over your berry mixture. Don't stir it in, just let it sit on top. Then drizzle that melted butter all over the cake mix. This makes it wonderfully golden and crumbly. Place your Dutch oven or pan over hot coals, not directly in flames. Cook for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until the topping is golden brown and the berries are bubbly. You can also use a Dutch oven with coals on top for even baking. Carefully remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Serve warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream if you're feeling extra fancy. This campfire cobbler is pure outdoor dessert perfection. Enjoy every single bite.